Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Pay on your Instinct 2 smartwatch. First, it's important to note that Garmin Pay is available only on specific Instinct 2 models, such as the Solar and Diesel editions. To begin, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and select your compatible watch. Then, navigate to Garmin Pay within the app and choose Get Started to initiate the setup. You will create a secure 4-digit passcode for your watch's digital wallet, ensuring your payments are protected. Once your wallet is set up, the next step is adding your payment card. In the Garmin Connect app, select Add Card. You will then enter your credit or debit card details, including the full card number and its expiration date. After accepting the terms and conditions from your issuing bank, complete any required identity verification. Your card will be successfully added to your watch's wallet once this verification is complete. You can add up to 10 cards to your wallet. Making a payment with your Instinct 2 is quick and easy. To pay, press and hold the control button on your watch to access the controls menu. Select the wallet icon and enter your 4-digit passcode if prompted. This is required if it has been more than 24 hours since your last use or if you have removed the watch. Choose your desired card from the virtual wallet, then hold your watch near a contactless payment reader until the transaction is complete. Your phone does not need to be nearby. Garmin Pay prioritizes your security. It uses tokenization, meaning your actual card number is never stored on your watch or shared with merchants, protecting your financial information. For added security, your wallet locks after 3 incorrect passcode attempts, requiring a reset through the Garmin Connect app. For purchases exceeding $100, you might need to enter your physical card's PIN at the terminal. Remember, you can suspend or delete cards from your wallet anytime using the Garmin Connect app for full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.